Hello everyone, welcome back to NK Innovation. Today we will prepare JF Kofta. JF Kofta means jackfruit kofta. It is very spicy and delicious. To prepare this kofta, we want jackfruit. I have taken boiled jackfruit, that should be raw jackfruit, and this quantity is approx 800 to 900 gram. Small. First we have to peel. Before peeling, must wash. Afterwards we have to boil this. If you want, you can boil in the only pan for 10 minutes on the low flame, or if you want, you can boil in the pressure cooker. So one whistle is enough. To prepare this kofta, we need this. Already I described: raw jackfruit, 2 tablespoons garam masala, dhania powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, chili powder, and salt as required. To bind this kofta, we need gram flour. Almost this is 3 tablespoons. While mixing, you can understand, you realize how much you want. So gradually you pour and you mix nicely. And 2 tablespoons corn flour. If you are preparing this one first time, you can use little more gram flour as a besan or corn flour. For gravy, we want tomato. Already I have chopped 3 big size of tomato, 3 big size of chopped onion. For seasoning, we want Shahi Jeera 2 tablespoons, some amount of bay leaf, tej patta, 3 to 4 red chili, and 2 small stick of cinnamon. The same way we have to use 3 cardamom, 3 to 4 clove, and 2 to 3 star flower. This will give nice flavor to our gravy. We have to mix this jackfruit. So we need 1 spoon salt, half tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, half a spoon turmeric powder, and half a spoon chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can use more. And half a spoon pepper powder. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now we have to mix nicely this one to make a proper paste type as we make the mass, jackfruit mass, and make a nice small size of ball to fry it. Meanwhile, we can keep oil to be heat. The oil is already heated now and our balls are also ready. So before putting in the oil, we have to coat this one with the suji. Why we are coating this with the suji? Because upper part should be crispy and inner part should be soft. There is no chance to break. The same process we will repeat with all the balls, and we have to deep fry. It will be the golden brown. Till that it will be golden brown, we have to fry our onions. Now we will fry onion. Before putting the onion, we have to put star flower, cloves, and cinnamon in the oil. When it is about to roast, it is about to fry, we have to fry this onion nicely. Now we will mix 2 to 3 spoons ginger garlic paste. Already I mentioned 2 chopped green chili. All the spices, whatever I have mentioned and described before that, we have to mix whatever is left now. If you want more spicy, you can use some more. Garam masala, jeera powder, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. We have to mix this. Let it is to fry. Onion is well fried now. We will get nice aroma from this. Now we will mix tomato and we have to fry nicely, and we will keep for 10 minutes to cool. When it becomes cool, then we have to make puree from this. We have to make it paste in our grinder. We have to grind to get the paste. If you want more spicy, already I have mentioned, you can use more spices like a pepper powder, chili powder, garam masala. Now we will put salt. It is about 1 spoonful. Our kofta and tomato, onion, ginger garlic paste are ready. We pour now 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil. I am using mustard oil. Whatever oil you are using, you can use. Now we will put for seasoning 4 to 5 red chili, cinnamon stick, bay leaves and sahi jeera. When we will get it is fried, we have to pour our paste. We can make the paste from 2 ways. One I have done just now after frying of tomato, onion and ginger garlic. If you want, you can make the paste. First you have to make the paste of onion and you make the tomato puree. So from the same way you can make your gravy, but this gravy will become very rich. Whatever gravy I am preparing, I think this is for 4 servings or more than. We have to fry for 5 minutes. Then we will mix some water. Gravy is ready now. Consistency is also good, not more thick and not thin. So now we will put in this our kofta one by one. When we have to serve after 2-3 hours, we should remember that we will not put all the kofta at a time. Let it be to boil for 4 minutes and we will garnish with fresh coriander leaf. Our jackfruit kofta is ready to eat. You must try at home. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Be safe and be healthy.